let's check out the newest and coolest SuperBox S6 Pro. By the way, SuperBox actually sent me this unit to check it out. Also, they gave me a coupon code that you can use to get $50 off your purchase of the S6 Pro. So make sure to use Ultra Value at the checkout. Inside the box, we do get the SuperBox itself and also power adapter for it, cable for connecting to your TV or monitor, remote control, and also a quick manual. And this is what the SuperBox itself looks like. On the front we do get a display over here. On the back we do have two antennas. Also on the back you see you can get your LAN port as well, your optic cable, and also HDMI cable to connect to your TV or any monitor, and also your power input over here. On this side we also do get actually two USB ports. So for example, maybe you can connect external mouse or like a game joystick or maybe like a keyboard. And also we have a slot over here for a memory card. So we can actually expand the storage on this unit. And yep, on this side we do not have much, and on the back of the unit we only get these vent holes, so for better heat dissipation. And we have these legs over here. When it comes to the specs, this unit is actually totally feature packed. It does have quad-core CPU, 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and of course we can actually expand the storage even more on this unit using external memory card as well. And let's check out the remote control itself. So actually I have been using this SuperBox for a few days now, and actually this remote control that you get with it is actually really nice. So first, the build quality is actually super good on this remote control. By the way, it runs from 2 AAA batteries that you will need. So build quality is absolutely great, and also the buttons feel really nice, and also it's very responsive and everything happens pretty much instantly. And the best part really is on this remote, this button over here. So you can basically press this and talk in the remote, maybe to look up some TV show or movie. So you do not have to type anything, you can simply press and hold this and speak in the remote, and it'll find you whatever you need basically. Absolutely great remote. To start using your SuperBox, all we have to do is first take your power cable, and on the back here you will see this DC hole. So simply plug this in first. Then also on the back you will see your HDMI cable. So take the HDMI cable provided, or maybe use your own. Simply connect the HDMI. Also on the back we can plug in our internet here, or we can simply use Wi-Fi as well with this SuperBox. Then make sure to connect to your TV or monitor and plug it in the power. Then simply press the power button on your remote to start it up, and you'll have your SuperBox ready in a few seconds. By the way, the first time you run it, there will be a small setup where you basically have to enter some details. Maybe if you are using Wi-Fi instead of the wired connection, you will need to enter your Wi-Fi password. And this is what the screen looks like. And we can use our remote control to navigate between the different items. Probably we'll go to the App Store first. And here we have basically two app stores. So the first is Play Store. So basically you can use this to access a regular Play Store, and we basically can download various things here, such as even games and various other applications. And other is actually this like SuperBox internal app store. So first time you launch it, you will simply need to install it. So simply click on that additional extra app store and it will be installed in a short moment. So when we open this app store, you can see additional apps that you can install on this box basically. So we can check what kind of apps we get here. Probably most people will want to install this Blue VOD, Blue TV, and also Playback. These probably are the most used apps someone would use. And to install any of these apps, simply go on the app and press the OK button. As you see, it will start to download and it will install it shortly. On the bottom here we can actually add quick launch options here, so we can quickly launch any of these apps. So we can go to one of these, for example, click OK and simply select the app you want. Also on the bottom here we have other options here. So for example, we can click OK and go inside there, and we can adjust various settings here. Again, let's click back to go back. Also next option is we can actually browse our internal storage and access any like videos, pictures, music, whatever you have on the internal storage. As well as if you actually like insert the memory card in the unit, it will appear here as well. By the way, also we can actually access internet. For example, we can measure the speed over here. So I do not have the best speed, but as you can see, it pretty much can run a Chrome browser as well, and we can pretty much like browse websites on this thing as well. Then also, if you want to properly use a voice search on your remote, make sure to go over here, and you actually need to sync this remote to your SuperBox properly. So simply follow the steps here. Also, we can add more quick launch menus, I guess, on these buttons itself on the remote, which is kind of cool. Also on the top here, if we go here, we can even see our current weather as well. Next, let's check out some of the stuff we have over here. By the way, I will have to blur out some parts of the screen because YouTube doesn't really like some of the stuff. First, let's check out the Blue TV. On this side here, we have our channel list, and as you can see, yeah, we have absolutely crazy amounts of channels on this SuperBox. So, and when we actually go through all the channels, there are pretty much everything you would want. So for pretty much any person, there is everything you would want. So this SuperBox is actually totally loaded. And the best part really is all this is set up and runs perfectly great. So you do not really have to mess around with anything. Everything simply works. Again, on the top here, you can see we actually have 1700 channels, but I would say about a third of them actually aren't always on. So maybe a bit over 1000 of really decent channels and stuff you can watch, which is actually insanely cool. On this side here, we have the actual preview of the channel and what's happening. We have a bit of description here and the name and stuff like that. So if we simply want to enter the channel and make it full screen, simply press OK on your remote. Next, let's check out the video on demand app. And again, this is actually super comprehensive, and there is pretty much everything one would want. So pretty much all the latest stuff is right over here. And as you can see, you have the recommended stuff over here, newest stuff over here, all the newest stuff you would want, movies and also TV shows. So actually, when we, for example, go to the movies, on the top here you can see the total pages of the movies. So over 1000 pages, and in each page there is 12 different movies. And again, after checking the list of what's actually available there is pretty much everything you would want. All the latest stuff you would want, it's there. So for pretty much any like genre or whatever. So new releases, and these are actually really new releases. Then also action stuff, adventure, animation, biography, comedy, crime, documentary, drama, family, fantasy. So basically, as you can see, it's actually classified here really well. And yeah, it's actually super comprehensive, and yeah, there is pretty much everything you would want. And also we have the latest TV shows here as well. So again, when we actually check the list of the actual TV shows here, there is everything you would want. And again, all the latest stuff over here is right here. And also the quality is again really decent on all this stuff. Again, we have different categories here, but yeah, I'm not able to actually show what's over here and all the type. And then this playback app also is extremely nice. So basically they simply store the content for the past week that has been running on the TV channels. So basically there aren't the whole list of channels, but 86 in total, but there are only the most popular channels only someone would watch. So there isn't any junk. So pretty much, but everything you would want is over here. So basically we can select any of the most popular channels and then simply select your day in the past, and then simply go to that time frame you want to watch and which name of the show you want to watch, and simply press OK, and it will start to load shortly. And also the quality of the playback is insanely good as well. Also, it's really cool that we can actually connect external mouse and a keyboard to the SuperBox, so we can essentially even use it as a mini computer For example, we can go on internet, browse some websites, do some very basic stuff, and we can even play some games on the SuperBox itself. For example, let's check out the Asphalt. And when it comes to the performance of the SuperBox, it's actually really good. So you can actually easily set it even to almost the highest quality, and you can still play this game pretty good. So at even good graphic settings. But I think if you set it to like the most like absolutely highest quality, maybe some of the menus are a bit sluggish. So but at this setting, I think the menus are still really good. So but the playback even on almost the best quality is really good still. Okay, let's play a bit, and again we can easily use our keyboard to actually control the game, which is really cool. So yeah, it's actually really cool that we can play some decent games on this SuperBox as well. But again, these are simply Android games, and you can't really play like PC games on this device, just some Android games. But still, as you can see, even on almost the highest settings, we can run this perfectly fine. So actually, yeah, pretty cool. So overall, is the new SuperBox actually worth it? Well, actually, after using this device for a few days, actually, yep, I think this is actually totally worth it. So when it comes to the price, when you go to the website, it costs $329. So basically, yeah, it might actually sound a bit like pricey for an Android box, but actually when you consider what you're actually getting, in what kind of quality, the content that you are getting, so basically it covers everything, and everything is there. So 329, but if you use a coupon, you get 50 off basically, so it costs 279 basically dollars from their store, and that's that price basically. Yeah, it's actually kind of no-brainer if you are actually watching a lot of this content that this box has. So you can simply do a basic math, and this box can simply pay it off itself extremely fast actually. Also, what I really like it about this SuperBox S6 Pro, actually, if you simply take it out your box, connect the cables, then on your TV, it's pretty much ready. So everything is there, and you can start watching everything you want. So there's essentially zero setup, and you do not really need to know how to do a lot of this stuff. So again, there are a lot of different setups like this, but they're actually very complicated, and when you actually get them, there is nothing on them. And yeah, also the content availability is like nowhere close actually to what this has. And the best part about the SuperBox is that this is actually one-time purchase. So you simply purchase the box, and there are no monthly fees for this box, unlike on every other services. And that probably is the #1 selling point about the SuperBox. So yeah, after actually using the SuperBox for a few days, it's actually really cool. I will try to leave a link in the description to their website, but again, if you go on their website and you search for this S6 Pro, make sure to again use a coupon code ULTRAVALUE, and you will simply get it for much lower price. Again, I think you can even purchase these in Walmart as well, which is pretty cool, but I think the cheapest price probably from their own websites. That's also pretty good. Anyway, good luck.